Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In this tutorial I'll show you the basic water simulation with Phoenix FD. In easy and simple steps. It is basic tutorial for beginners. Please like and subscribe my channel. Let's start. So here is the fountain model you can see. So you have to go the Phoenix FD toolbar. Add the Phoenix FD liquid source on the viewport. Then go to the liquid modification option. Add the water source object. And on the object select the polygon for water outcome. Make the ID name of the polygon. Then select the water liquid options. Scroll down. And set the polygon ID. Go to the Phoenix FD toolbar again. Click on the Phoenix FD liquid simulator. And add on the screen around the fountain. Go to the simulator option. Go to the grid option. You can adjust the size here. In the container wall option, select the both jammed on all axis. And in the dynamic option, you can change the gravity if need. And you can use other options like initial fill up. Steps per frame should be 1 according to system. In the preview option, you can mark the show mesh to see the liquid. Increasing the time configuration limit. Let's start the simulation. You can see simulation is working. But water pressure is too low. We need to increase the pressure. So stop the simulation. Water liquid you can see not good for the scene. So select the water liquid option. In the outgoing velocity, increase the amount. Then try again. It's just little bit difference. Just stop it. Need to increase the more amount. The start and let's see. Yes, it's working good. But we need to make enough amount which should be within a simulator jar. Always go to the 0 on the timeline. Adjust the right amount to start again. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Simulation is in process. Now you can see it's working perfect. Water simulation is good. Simulation is done. For more water simulation tutorial, links down below. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thanks for watching.